Hi, this is Captain. This we learn about loops. Loops are very beneficial in Python, and basically you will find a situation in which you have to perform the same task in a game. And there are two lines of Python written the in this section, and you can see that there is a list of fruits. The fruits is a list and has values in it. It has apple, banana, orange, grapes, peach. So, uh, if you want to print the values of the list, like apple, banana, we have one of the way is to call the index and print it on the screen like this. Fruits is a list and zero is the index. At the index zero is apple, at index one is two orange, three grapes, four peach. And if you want to print all those values, uh, printing one by one is not good method. So uh, here comes the loop. This for loop is used. Uh, there is a list of fields, and field is a variable. And the list takes the value from first value from the list. Like fields in list, and it takes first value from the list and associate with the field, and it prints in this section. And it the uh, list end. The list will end, it will stop working. Like here it is printing zero index value, and we have printed a line below it to separate it from the list with values. You can see that, and let's we will reach from here. The each should be it's printing, and if you change the value of index from here from 3 0 to 3, apple value will change. Oops. Let me publish in the clips.